Good morning, and welcome back to my show, Why is Tiffany So Talented? The show where I show you exactly what it is that I do when I'm not making your face masks or your hot cocoa bombs, shea butter soaps. I do so much, to be honest. But I want to show you this dress. It's velvet. Oh, I love it. Nothing on it right now. Got some straps in the back. It's gonna get pearls and oh my gosh. It's already been a whirlwind week. I made a dress and finished up a men's top to match. Yesterday I might insert I'm already off to the next dress. You know how it goes. One dress gone, one dress coming. I don't even have anything on my hook right now, which is good for me, but I also like knowing what I'm gonna do in advance. But we're about to start. Now look how beautiful these Swarovski ivory cream pairs are. I got some, what is that? Cream rose pearls here. Whole smorgasbord of different shapes and sizes. Each one is a different one, just to help me create the illusion of this dress. It's inspired by this dress. It's definitely not going to be exactly the same, but it's inspired by this beautiful gown here. Whoever made it is an artist. Oh my gosh, just like me. So we're going to make some magic. It's so cute. I might put some chunky tassels around here. I finished the frame at the top. Got my specialty, my pearls. Got a little brooch up here. 3D brooch, some squares, those ivory cream pairs, some big pearls, some little pearls, some iridescent pearls, pearls galore, onto the bust. I've got this big giant rock. Here's another one. And I'm thinking of putting it here. I finished the frame up here at the top. Got all the pins out. And now it's time to chalk out some drapes like this. But as far as these, I'm thinking here. I've got my smoothie. You got any questions about that? Send me a message. But this dress is gorgeous. So my coworker has been getting it in over here. These are all appliques where she had to cut the circle. I will stone it on some fabric, cut the circle out, find the perfect placement all the way to the bottom, and look at the accent in pearls and the swirls and some pears over here. This dress is beautiful. It is. This dress is beautiful too. But this one is gorgeous. She's been doing so much work on this dress. I want to show you how far I got on my dress. Right, so I've got all the unimportant pins out. it's gorgeous. I think these gigantic chunks came out perfect, and look, they're in there. There ain't no coming up, so that's good. I have to replicate these 3D spike pearls down here. I start at the top. I need to finish the bottom. There's some stuff I need to do in here. Of course, I need to finish off my hip with the pearls, re-arch some of these lines. These ones look pretty good from this side. Yeah, these ones look pretty good. So I'll mimic that over here. Got a lot to do. Oh, I put these in yesterday. It's a chain. I have to hold them in place so they're not jiggling around while I'm stoning. Gotta hit my arches up in here with the chalk a little more because I rubbed some off. Probably stone those first. Yeah, I think that's the first thing that I'm gonna do. But yeah, got a lot to do, as you can see. Why is Tiffany so talented? Because I create beauty like this. And this is just one of the talents. I'm working on my drapes and drops and rows, but I'm adding the Labrador pears right here. One more. Pears are down. Now we're gonna gradiate to the next size. Even smaller. Here's this side done, but as you see, I have some spaces, and in the spaces I'm gonna add more actual chains. So I need 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, and I plan on showing you exactly how I do it. So pick out your stones. I'm gonna use these colors. You're gonna need some packs, your painter's tape, and start laying them down in a long line. All right, so everything is nice and stoned. Let's see. All my sizes are ready. And now I'll give them a little bit of time to dry and finish stoning this. So by the time I'm done with this side, they should be ready for me to hang. I finished the bust on both sides. It's looking gorgeous. My chains are drying. So right now what I'm doing is taking my big giant diamonds and just framing the sides with stones. So this one is not yet framed. I'm about to frame that one to make it look nice and seamless like this. Good morning, and welcome back to Why is Tiffany So Talented? The show where I show you exactly what it is that I do when I am not making your hot cocoa bombs, your shea butter soaps, your face masks. Do people even wear face masks anymore? I do sometimes when I want to match my outfit, I'm not gonna lie. Or if I'm going somewhere where I know it's gonna be a lot of people. Like I went to a Herbalife conference a couple of weeks ago and definitely had my mask on. Was the only one. People was looking at me crazy. I don't care. I came for the information and to be extra safe. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this. And it is so cute. This is my progress on yesterday, well, from yesterday, and it is giving this waistline right here. It is giving. And I was cute, looking like somebody's wholesome auntie. But they don't know. Well, I'll insert a picture here. So I chose a mix of all of them. I made the steel necklace, but I made it kind of straight down. I wore the shirt from number 3, the hat from number 1. Cute, right? It has pockets. It's very flowy. My sandals are cute. I've retraced the lines and I started my drapes here on the bottom. But you know what? The rest of this is content for YouTube. So if you want to see the rest of the progress that I'm making on this dress, and you want to see some other dresses that I've made, go ahead and follow my YouTube page. It's Tiffany So Talented. It should be under a playlist called Why is Tiffany So Talented, because that's the name of this show. And I'm so talented because I make beautiful things like this come to life. Like, I literally get to create beauty and bring it to the world every day, other than me just waking up. Come to my YouTube channel, follow me, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Leave comments. Come on, people. You see the talent? So, this is the progress that I made from yesterday, and it's looking good. It's looking good. I got these I need to sew in. That's why you see they're just pinned up there. But the placement is perfection. You know, it might shift a little bit during the sew-in process, but for the most part, it's nice and full. I got my center pieces done. I added a little bit more. I was just thinking about something. Let me show you how we get the chalk off of our dresses, because I just finished redrawing these lines on the hip here. And I know you know that I drew out all of the drape lines, and for the most part, like you can kind of still see them here. For the most part, I stoned right over the line, but sometimes you can't because the arch needs to be a little different. I just use a little spray bottle of water, and that comes right off. This is another piece of black velvet too, so little spray can of water, spray bottle of water, and it'll come right off, so no worries about chalk lines. But I'm about to get into that. Oh my gosh, my voice is so raspy in the morning. When I was just listening to that playback, oh my gosh, I'm like 10 octaves below. But I mean, my voice is raspy all day, but in the morning it's extra raspy. I like it though. I like to think it's sultry and all of those kinds of things. But it's cute, right? It's giving sexy, it's giving elegance, it's giving romance, it's giving Latin, it's giving drama, it's giving something that I'm gonna tell you at the end when I'm done, and then you'll never be able to unsee it. But it's giving. So cute. So let me get into that, and then I'll show you what I'm doing next. So this is how far I got yesterday. I got all of my chains sewed in. I got my little dangles placed and sewed in. I got my gigantic ice chunks nice and framed out. I finished this hip over here. Started my middle accent. Got another one ready to put here, but that hip is done as well, and the top of my lips in the back. So I just need to come here, come there, and do my accents, and I will be done. Oh, I even got my tassel toppers done. So much. It's a lot.